Hello, Mzansi. Welcome back to our channel. Unbelievable breaking news from the Senzo Meyiwa trial today as Ginindi is on the stand reading his own testimony. And he reveals Khumalo as the person who ordered the hit on Senzo Meyiwa. How long have we been saying this? My planned video for today was actually to just talk about how the Senzo Meyiwa trial is never going to be solved, because earlier in the statement, Ginindi is talking about how they went to a witch doctor to check if one of the accused had been there with the witch doctor. And I said to myself, this case is never going to be solved because obviously there's African science involved, and these murderers went for a cleansing, so they're never actually going to be found to be the killers. But for Ginindi to sit there and read aloud that it was Khumalo who ordered the hit, and he didn't just say it, the proof as well that accompanies that, I will let you listen to this yourself, because Gunini and Ngiwan, and wow, we did not expect this, but hello 2024, we're getting somewhere. Finally, the tide is turning. Your thoughts in the comment section down below. And by the way, I watched Griselda on the SABC live feed literally type. I said, I bet you she's typing a tweet. I'm gonna run to Twitter to check what she's typing, because I can see she's typing real fast, real quick. And oh my God. Okay, Mzansi, comment down below and let me know your thoughts on this recent development. Breaking news. Oh my God. I'm still trying to process the information as I'm recording this. But also at the same time, I want to talk about how the defense and Baloyi did not want that statement read aloud. And Rata also gives a lecture about, listen, I've been the lenient guy. I've been letting you guys get away with stuff. But remember, if you read that statement here, you will not be able to use it in the main trial. So, Khumalo, what say you? One thing's for sure, I'm heading right over to Instagram to check Khumalo's response, because we all know Ukel does not stay quiet for long. Thanks for watching. I'll be back with the rest of my commentary.
Evidence by means of a sworn, collaborating and independent witnesses statement establish a causal link between the offenders and the offenses of murder, robbery and aggravating circumstances, possession of unlicensed firearm and unlawful possession of ammunition, and conspiracy to commit murder. Ms. Khumalo seems to be the trigger point of this murder. 19th of June 2020, and later made a further confession in the presence of his attorney to a magistrate in Boksburg Magistrate Court on the 24th of June 2020. Through the confession, does it appear that this suspect is the suspect that was described as tall, slender built, which came into the house. He also implicates Ms. Khumalo as the person who gave the order to kill Senzo Meyiwa. Tobisi Prince Mngube, nicknamed Carlos, he is linked by means of sworn certified statement in the docket referred to herein above.
To my learned friend, that there's a paragraph that relates to an investigation that is pending, and that paragraph should be omitted when the witness reads out his affidavit.
So Baloyi and the defense team already knew that Khumalo would be implicated, and if this was read aloud in court, and they haven't yet advised her that, listen here, Mama Kelly, we suspect you. So they didn't want this read aloud because she had not yet been notified of this. Never mind notified. Why isn't she arrested, Ginindi? If that is your actual statement and you're the lead investigator in this, oh my goodness. Okay, I'm going off on a tangent, but let me let you hear the rest of this. And remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and help our channel get to 20,000 subscribers. Thanks for watching.
Well, firstly, my lord, as I've just indicated, the investigation pertaining to that aspect of the affidavit is still ongoing. But secondly, we think it's unfair for a person or persons to hear their names be mentioned in court when they haven't been afforded the opportunity when they haven't been firstly informed of that fact, and secondly afforded the opportunity to make representations as far as that aspect is concerned. We will then request, my lord, that is paragraph 3.5 of 3.6 of the statement, the entire paragraph.
Which statement? I don't know. I haven't seen the statement. Remember,
Yes.
you and the defense counsel refused me to see it.
Yes. Well,
So I don't know what you're talking about.
yes, my learned friend is on his feet, and I'm suppose he's going to have the statement proven. But that is the request that we want to make at this stage. Once the statement is proven.
Have you, sorry, have you spoken to your learned colleague?
Yes, he signaled his intention to have that part read into the.
The very part you're saying it would be unfair for it to be
Yes.
publicized in the absence of having
Yes.
brought same to the attention of the person
Consent, yes.
concerned.
Indeed, madam.
So, Mr. Tumezulu, what's your view?
My lord, the reason why I oppose the request by the state is because I also researched and checked the legal position regarding to the statements that were disclosed to me. That was disclosed to me, which were the affidavits of the investigating officer. And the state has not indicated any objection. And when an order was, or when the witness was asked to read the statement, then he raised that objection.
Okay, so
But
which
I don't
statement
see-
is this? I don't know what you're talking about.
The statement is the statement of the investigating officer of Brigadier Ginindi.
It's a statement by Brigadier.
Brigadier,
Ginindi.
yes. Not of the witness.
What does it concern?
My lord, it relates to the participants in the commission of the alleged offense, and it won't actually be open to the court to give an informed judgment if there are certain aspects that are claimed to be privileged or to be redacted without reasons. In this case, an affidavit has been made. It's almost the same affidavit as the one that Brigadier Ginindi has read on record. It's an additional paragraphs.
Does it concern a trial within a trial?
It is, my lord. It is, but particularly on the subject of 219.
Mr. Baloi?
As a court, please, my lord, we maintain that this information is irrelevant as far as the trial within a trial is concerned. But over and above that, my lord, we feel that it will be unfair to any individual or individuals to hear their names mentioned in court without them having been warned, and without them having been afforded the opportunity to come and make their own representations. We submit, my lord, that in a constitutional dispensation as ours, this cannot be allowed, my lord. There are no advantage, or there's no advantage to be gained by placing this information on record, as far as my learned friend is
When you say
concerned.
by placing it on record, I hear you.
Yes.
You know what, I've been lax in applying the law because I'm told, you're interfering. I've allowed so much leeway, people bringing evidence which has got nothing to do with the concept of a trial within the trial. Are you with me? Because this is a circumscribed interlocutory application. It's circumscribed, trial within a trial. And once you have used that evidence within a trial within a trial, you may possibly not use it in the general trial. Mr. Am I talking sense?
Yes, my lord.
But I've been lax. Mr. Gumezulu can tell you, he has gone to the Antarctic and it comes back. For instance, now he's starting again in the Antarctic. You remember the statement you read?
Yes.
Which now he says it reminds him of something which you say accused number 1 was boasting about.
Yes.
Now, I don't know what he wants to prove about this, but I don't want to stop you. You can do what you think you must do. But when I come to adjudicate the matter, I'll be guided by the dictates of a trial within a trial. But I can't stop you from doing that because I'm told I'm interfering. So go ahead, do what you think you want to prove, sir. I don't want to encumber or abridge your testimonial duties as prescribed by your instructions, okay?
And there you have it. Once again, Judge Rata being extremely sarcastic, saying that Ngomezulu has been to the Antarctic and now he's back. You know, I don't think that statement was even necessary, but the statement was allowed. And now, Mzansi, we now know Okeli Khumalo is being implicated. And not that we're saying she's guilty, we're just reporting that she has been implicated. What this will mean for her, this is going to be truly interesting. So make sure to comment down below, engage in the comments, let us know your thoughts on this, including what happened yesterday as well, the statement that was read about how dangerous Untanzi actually is. And yeah, you know what, I'll do a separate video on that, on wow, the black market in the KZN area. Thanks for watching. See you on our next upload.